whether in gardens or wild corners of the earth, flowers lend an indescribable charm to the surroundings in which they grow. Widely used as objects of ornamental, social, religious, and cultural value, flowers also are sites of sexual reproduction. Flowering is a major phase in the life cycle of a plant and takes place when the climate is congenial for pollination and the formation of seeds. This phase is, however, preceded by several physiological and morphological changes induced by hormones such as phloriston present in the leaves. These changes lead to the differentiation of vegetative buds into floral buds and the development of the floral primordium, the rudimentary or preliminary stage of the flower or the flowering shoot. This primordium either bears a solitary floral bud or inflorescences that bear multiple floral buds. The buds bloom into a flower, a modified shoot with shortened internodes and nodes. From these nodes arise four modified leaf-like structures called whorls, which are arranged on the swollen end of a stalk called the thalamus. The whorls include the androecium, gynoecium, calyx that consists of sepals, and lastly the corolla comprising the petals. The calyx and corolla, referred to as the perianth, are bright and colorful to attract insect pollinators. The gynoecium, on the other hand, which consists of one or many carpels or pistils, represents the female reproductive part, whereas the androecium, which consists of a whorl of stamens, is the male reproductive part of the flower. Though the number and size of stamens in an androecium differ across species of flowers, the basic structure remains the same. Every stamen, for instance, consists of a filament and an anther. The filament is a long and slender stalk whose proximal end is attached either to the thalamus or the petal of the flower. The anther, on the other hand, is bilobed in nature, with each lobe being dithecous or consisting of two thecas that are separated by a longitudinal groove that runs through the anther.